Okay guys, we are going to be editing this product individually to have our particular product placed on this very website. So if you don't know how to design, you can try to go visit our, should I say, video on how to design. You can use Canva, you can set up your product this way as they are using just Canva, and you'll be able to upload it as it is. So how do we get started? Now you go to where there is WooCommerce. You can see this is WooCommerce. Click on WooCommerce. You can see every other details about WooCommerce. So let's see how the home page will look like. Order, customers, coupons, reports, settings, status, and extensions. So this is what we'll be working with. First, what's wrong with this network? Give me something nice, please. Okay, let's see how the home page will look like. Why are you blank? Okay, let's see settings. Okay, you can see the settings. This is the general setting. This for your store address. You can change this to your country. You can decide to put Nigeria. For your country, you can say this is just about states. So this is about the address of your business. So that is where you put. I'll put Benue. Then I will insert my postal code as well. I'll set selling locations, set all countries. But if you want specific countries, you can select the countries you want to set. And you can set all countries except these listed countries. So any country you select here, you will not be selling there. Shipping locations, these are all details you can set about your company. You can see this currency. I will change it to Naira. Sorry, Naira. I'll say Nigerian Naira. I will insert it. Currency position. You can see this is the currency we're referring to. You can see that this is where we're going to change it to. You can see the position of it. So once you are done, then thousand separator command, decimal number of decimal, you leave it as it is. Then you click on save changes. Then let's visit our site and see what happens to it. We visited it, and you can see it has not changed. What's wrong? Sorry, it's supposed to change to Nigerian Naira. Save changes. Okay, let's check our store now and see what happens. You can see our product has changed to Naira. So now, once you are done with that, let's go to our product. Where is WooCommerce and where is product? This is product. So we'll go to all products, and this way you'll be seeing the products that have been that followed this particular theme. So if you want to add, click on add new product and you add. You can just click on these ones and just delete, or just be editing it. Click edit. As you click on edit, you allow it to load. I don't know why this network is trying to give issues. What's wrong? this is a product. I'll click on edit product from this top. You can still do it from here or you do it from the top, anywhere you want. I'll click on edit so that I'll be able to edit, since the network was kind of stopping me from downloading. So this is where we are going to touch our product. You can see this is the price of the product. I can put it at 5,000 naira. You can see this is the regular price. I'll put it at 7,500. Then this is the selling price at 5,000 naira. That means there is going to be a slash on that 7,500. Then let me add. I'll change this. I'll remove it. I'll upload my own picture. So I'll be uploading my own picture. Okay, it's the picture I'll be uploading. I'll add it. You can see it has changed. Then this is about media, about shortcuts. So now this is where we'll be putting our description, the product description. So I'll change this. I'll change this to what's the shoes name. Black and white canvas. First time one top sneakers. I'll copy this and use it as my title. So this is it. Then I'll be adding a description. I'll click on text. It was on visual. I'll click on text. Then I will add other information about this shoe. I can decide to write this is a uniquely made black and white canvas. And you can just put any, this is about the description of the product, so let me not just waste our time. So that is it. You can see this SEO. It's about SEO, credibility. Then it's about the product. If you want to group it or external affiliates, whatever, just leave it as it is. It's general settings. You can see the inventory. You know about this, you go with it. Shipping. This is the rate or whatever. Link of the product if you want to upsell or cross-sell. Then attributes. If you need other purchase notes or other informations. Then cart flows with more options. There are one-page checkout. These are other informations that once you know about them, you can proceed with that. So once we are done, let's come to this production description and click on this. I'll still copy this. It's small because I am just trying to make sure you comprehend. So once you are done, the next thing is to click on update. You can see, if you go to the right side, you can see categories. The categories we have here are groceries because we now edited our categories. This grocery, so this will be publishing on grocery. We have 3 categories of categorized groceries and shoes. So you can decide to add a new tag to the category and delete. Then this tag now is going to be like our keywords. I'll write shoes, sneakers, canvas. Sorry, I'll put them individually and add sneakers. I'll add canvas. I'll add and as much as you can. So that is it. You can customize the site or whatever. You just leave them as it is. Once you are done, click update. Let's see what happens to our site. Wow, you can see our products. You can see the amount. You can see black and white crosses. But just that this is the reason why you see crosses category. If you click on this now, like you want to shop, see what will happen. You can see this is the image of the product. This network that is making it misbehave. You can see this is the description I was referring to. And if I add to that cart now, you can see this is the reviews under it. If I add to cart now, I'll be going, you can see, I'll click on add to cart. I've not worked on that, so I'll proceed with that once time comes. So that is it about adding products. You can add as many products as you can. You can add a new product or edit the ones that are already on the site. So that is also the same procedure. You can see this is the product we just published. It was because of network, if not these tags would have been published. But it was as a result of the network that hang it when publishing. So that is it about adding a product. You can edit, do whatever I've done, or you add a new product using this add new. Or you want to import product, you can click on this and you import product from anywhere you want to import. You can see this is the file. If you have the file, you can import. I'll be showing us in some of the videos on how to create affiliate product with Amazon and import product from Amazon to your site. So that is it about this product adding to our e-commerce site.